Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to disable automatic updates on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To turn our automatic updates off, we have to go to the settings options, then scroll down to apps and services. Next we will go to the services options right here, and our options is a little bit hidden. It's under this four dots in the upper right corner. Automatic updates option here. Auto updates are enabled by default. To turn it off, we simply need to disable yes please, and automatic updates are now turned off. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.